students, how are you? Today we will start our chapter number first, matter in our surroundings. Matter in our surrounding. Firstly, we will discuss about matter. About matter. In our surrounding, there is different things present. There is a different things present. Suppose this whiteboard, marker, anything that is present in all around us, that is a matter. That is a matter. There is three important things that define the matter. First one, matter has a mass. They occupy space. And third one, we perceive by our sense. See by our sense means anything that occupies space has mass and we prescribe by our sense. That is a matter. That is known as a matter. After that, suppose we feel things and emotions, we feel heat, light, electricity. These are not matter. Why? Because they have no mass and don't occupy the space. That's why they are not a matter. After that, this is about the definition of matter. After that, physical states of matter. Physical states of matter. There is three physical states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. Solids, liquids, and gases. After that, you very well know about solid, liquid, and gases. Solids have definite mass, shape, size, etc. Liquids take the shape of containers, they have a definite volume, etc. Gases have very large intermolecular space, means particles of solids are tightly packed together. They have very less or no intermolecular space between them. After that, liquids particles are loosely packed. They have a less intermolecular space, but the particles of gases are very loosely packed together. Okay. After that, there is some further we have to discuss about the matter, means substances. Substances is a matter which has specific composition and specific properties. Substances have specific compositions and specific properties. Next topic is substance. First one matter. Now we discuss about substance. Substance. What is substance? Substance is a matter which has a specific composition and a specific property. After that, there is two types of substances, means pure substance and second one is impure substance. Pure substance is element and compound. Pure substance is element and compound, and impure substance is mixture. Now we discuss about element, compounds, and mixture. First of all, element. Element. It is made up of only one kind of atom. Only one kind of atom. But compound. Compound is made up of two or more kinds of atoms or elements. Two or more kinds of atoms or elements. But mixture is more made up of two or more kinds of elements or compounds or both. Element is made up of only that is known as elements, that is known as element. After that, compound. Compound is made up of two or more kinds of atoms or elements. Two or more kinds of atoms or elements, like H2O. H2O. It means here is a hydrogen and oxygen. Two types of elements or atoms. After that, mixture. Mixture is made up of two or more kinds of elements or compounds or both. Elements or compounds or both. Means different types of elements, compounds mix together and make a mixture. Okay. After that, next one we have to discuss different types of mixture. Different types of mixture. Mixture, two kinds, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. Composition of mixture is uniform throughout. Components of the mixture are uniformly mixed. Like for example, mixture of salt and water. Salt and water. The common example of homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. After that, for example, heterogeneous mixture, the mixture of sand and water. Sand and water. Sand and water. The composition of heterogeneous mixture has a uniformly and vary, no uniformly and vary throughout the mixture. That's why there have a boundary line for the heterogeneous mixture. Means we have to easily see the sand and water. It's all about today, students. Thank you and have a nice day. Further things we have to discuss in our next class. Thank you.